I would like to talk about a little metronome option. Metronome is your best friend. It's once you get used to it, it's very fun to play with actually. With this type of keyboard, it actually has. This one doesn't have a metronome itself, but it does come with a hundred different type of rhythm, and as long as you have rhythm, it functions as the same. It says the metronome marking 120 on this monitor, and we usually start with 60, so this is it says tempo here, so I'm going to go down to 60 to practice with. 60, 60, 80, 100 is a like good practice tempo. 60 for slow practice, and in the middle tempo 80, and a little bit faster 100. So let's start. And then it has this type of tempo. I'm gonna play page 14, Beyer page 14, number 6. Number 7, time signature says 3/4. 3/4 means waltz. So if you choose any rhythm from the waltz, I'm gonna pick let's see, rock 1, rock waltz number 20, and then this. So I'm gonna switch to number 20. 1, 2, 3. It's a group of 3. Number 7. And the number 8, it says 4/4. 4/4 means just a regular rock beat works. Just make sure not to choose the rhythm says waltz. Yeah, let's go back to samba number 2. Let's see what happens. 73. Oh yeah. Number 8. Yeah, those are the. But sometimes it's confusing. So, old way of practice. This is my favorite metronome. It has a dial here, so you can find those numbers really easy and quick. All the kids find it's easy, and then I always recommend my students to have this around the piano. It's not that expensive either. I'm 60. That might be a very good, simple way to practice. Yeah. I'm gonna try number 9. Oops. I'll try again. Sorry. Number 10.